Hello friend and sir and madam. My name is Vinay Prabhakar Kole. I am a second year student of SAS Institute of Management Study. Today we'll topic of feasibility study for a project of PPT. First introduction about the topic and what is a feasibility study. Let's begin to clarify what a feasibility study is. Is a feasibility study is a simply an assessment of the practicality of an proposed plan or method, and just as the name implies, you asking is the feasible. For example, do you have or can you create a technology to do what you propose? Do you have the people, tools, and the resources to necessary? And will the project get you the ROI you expect? And when should you do a feasibility study? It should be done during that point the project life cycle after the business case has been completed. This is introduction about the topic. Let's move on ahead. The steps of feasibility study for a project. First step is conduct a preliminary analysis, and second is prepare a project income statement, and third one conduct the survey or performance market research, and fourth one is a plan business organization and operations, and fifth is a prepare an opening day balance sheet, and sixth one is steps is review and analysis all data. Seventh is a make go slash no go decision of steps. First is conduct a preliminary analysis. Begin by outlining your plan. You have should focus on an unserviced needs, that market where the demand is greater than the supply, and whether its product or service has been distinct advantage. And then you need to determine the hardly or too high to clear to expressive enable an effective market. It is. And second is prepare a project income statement. This is a steps that require your work backward. These steps require a work and backward. The start with you expect the income from the project to be, and the investment is needed to achieve the goal. This is a foundation of an income statement. The thing takes into the account her include that what the service required and how much they cost, and adjustment to renewed such as reimbursement etc. in this prepare and project income statement. And third one is the conduct a market survey or performance market research. The steps it is so make it and throw is possible. It is so important that if your organization does not have a resource to do proper on they, it is advantageous to hire an outside the firm to do so. The market research is a going give you the clearest picture of the revenue you can the realistically expect from the project. The some things considered are the geographic includes the market, demographic analysis, competitor value or market, and what you share will be if the market is open to expansion. This is a conduct a market survey or performance market research. And fifth fourth one is a plan business and organization and operation. Once is groundwork of prevision steps has been laid, it is time to set up the organization and operations. The planet is a business venture. This is not a superficial or broad stroker and over. It should be through they include the startup cost, they fix the investment and operations cost, and this is cost address things such as the equipment, merchandising, method or real estate, personal supply, availability on overhead etc. And fifth is to prepare an opening day and balance sheet. They includes an estimated of the asset and liability on that should be accurate as possible. Do to do this, create a list and includes items, source, cost and valuable financing. The liability to consider are the such thing: the leasing or purchasing of land and buildings and equipment, financing for the asset and account the receivable. And sixth one is review and analysis the all data. The all these steps are important, but the review and analysis are especially important to make sure and nothing requires changing or tweaking. So take a moment to take a look your work last time. Re-examine your previous steps, such as income statement, and compare it with the expenses and the liability. It is the realistic. This is also time thing the risk. The analysis and managing is come up with an contingency plan. And last step is a make go and no go decision. You know the point to make decision about whether is project feasible or not. The sound simple, but all the previous steps we are leading the decision making moment. A couple of the other things to consider before the making things, and consider the making a binary choice is whether the commitment worth the time, efforts, and money, and is the aligned with the organization strategy, goals, and long-term operations. It's a 7 step. Thank you to listen to me.